In this video of CSS, we will discuss about display, visibility, border, outline and height width property. In the previous video, we have already discussed about font and text property. If you want to learn about those things, then click on the I button which is on the right top corner. Next, we will discuss about display property. The display property specifies the display behavior like none, block, inline of an element. First value of display property is display block. You can see that I have used heading tag as a title of my web page. As you see on a web page, H1 and H6 are block elements and it takes a full width. There are some by default block elements are available in HTML such as H1, P, division, header, footer, UL and LI and many more. Now we will discuss about inline and inline block property. Here H1 and H6 is a block element and it takes a full width. Now I want to display both headings in the same line. So with the help of display inline property, I can do that because inline property takes a width according to the content. See, both title takes width according to content. Note that you can't apply a width and height on the inline element. But with the use of inline block property, you can set the width and height to the element. See, I am applying width and height on it and it works. Next, we will discuss about display none property. With the use of display none property, you can hide that whole element. See, the element is disappeared. Next property is visibility. This property specifies that an element is visible or not. Now we will discuss about visibility hidden property, which is same as display none property. But the main difference between them is the display none property hide whole element, whereas display hidden property hide only content. You can see that I have applied display none property on H2. See, the whole H2 element is hidden, even it didn't take a width of that element. Whereas with the use of visibility hidden, only content is hidden, but the width is remains same. Next is the visibility visible property. The visibility visible property makes an element visible and it is the default value. Next property is border. Border have many properties such as border width, border color, border radius, border style and many other. So we will discuss about all properties of border. First is border width. The border width property specifies the width of the border. Second is border style. The border style is used to give the style of the border like dotted, solid and other. Third is border color. The border color property is used to set the color of the border. See, the border is applied on it. See, the border is changed with the dotted. The shortened property of border width, border style and color is border. See, the all property applied on it. If you want to apply border on the top side of the element, then with the use of border top, you can add the border only on top side. Same as you can also use left, right and bottom to apply border on particular side. Next property is border radius. Border radius makes round corner of the border. See the 15 pixel of border radius applied on that element. Next property is outline. An outline is look same as border but it applies outside of the border. You can clearly see the difference between border and outline. Here red is border and blue is outline. Next we will discuss about height and width property. Next property is width and height. The width and height properties are used to set height and width of an element. See the width of 500 pixel and height of 200 pixel applied on it. Next property is max width and max height. The CSS max width and max height property is used to set the maximum width and maximum height of an element. Note that when you set maximum width and maximum height on that element takes width and height according to max width and max height. Same as minimum height and minimum width property is used to set minimum width and minimum height. Next video we will discuss about margin, padding, box model, box sizing, background, object fit and shadow property. If you want to learn more about that, then please stay with us.